How to use Ruijie Cloud ISP for daily O&M. Have you encountered the following challenges when managing a large number of end users? An excessive number of projects makes fault location difficult. You are overwhelmed by fault alarms in the list. Operations are too complex, and diagnosing faults is time-consuming and labor-intensive. Ruijie Cloud ISP offers a dedicated monitoring dashboard for you. When a fault occurs in a region, you can select the region from the drop-down box at the top to quickly focus on it, and view the alarms, traffic, logs, and other information intuitively. Real-time statistics are provided on the dashboard homepage, and the abnormal number of projects and health status are clearly displayed. On the right alarm area, alarms are sorted by severity and you can click all to view details. Filter key alarms by severity. Click the View icon in the Action column to view alarm details. Select a project and click the Alarm Content Setting tab to enable or disable the alarm feature. You can enable email notifications for important alarms. After email alarm is toggled on for an alarm type, recipients with email addresses provided will automatically receive email notifications when the alarms are generated. If alarm enabling is toggled on but email alarm is toggled off for an alarm type, recipients will only receive SMS notifications. You can click the Alarm Recipient tab and create alarm recipients. Click Alarm Contacts to view or add recipients and recipient groups. Return to the dashboard. You can find top 10 projects in the lower part of the alarm area. You can select an area and check the router that processes most traffic in the area. You can click the icons in the upper right corner to switch between home network and general network. When an end user encounters a network issue, you can quickly locate their project by entering their project name, device SN, username, email address, or phone number in the search box. This allows you to view alarms or perform diagnostics. Then you can use network tools to troubleshoot network faults with one click. For home projects, we have customized a simplified page that integrates multiple commonly used diagnostic tools such as ping and DNS, eliminating the need for complex operations.
Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the left to provide feedback or share your suggestions about the video. Scan the QR code on the right to access product documentation on the Ruijie official website. Your support is the driving force for our progress. See you in the next video.